Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today you will learn how to add a shadow effect in Canva so your text, images, or shapes stand out. You do not need any advanced design skills and everything can be done in minutes. First, open Canva and go to the design where you want to add the shadow. Select the element you want to work with. This could be text, an image, or any graphic. Once the element is selected, look at the top toolbar and click on the Edit or Edit Image button. For text, you will see an Effects button instead. If you are adding a shadow to text, click on Effects and then choose Shadow. You will notice that Canva applies a default shadow instantly. You can then adjust its settings such as color, transparency, blur, direction, and offset to create the exact look you want. If you are adding a shadow to an image or a shape, after clicking Edit Image, scroll down until you find the Shadows section. Click on it and choose the type of shadow you like, such as drop, glow, or angle. Adjust the settings to control how strong or soft the shadow appears.